Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Header Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are gonna talk about candlestick chart, and I'm gonna do a series on this specially chart, especially an interactive chart, and it will be in a customized candlestick chart will be there. Okay, so what are the process will be there? We gonna take it the data, okay, and convert as per convenience, and then we will go with the candlestick chart. Okay, so I've already done the video and given the code for candlestick chart, and so suppose if you want to look for a Delta Exchange, have an account, just click on the visit Delta Exchange India and then set your API key. So videos and codes are available, just check it out and follow the basic steps. So now we will go with the historical chart, I mean especially the OHLC candles. Okay, so first of all what we need to do is just simple codes are there, so just try to copy this stuff and paste it. So earlier what I've been done, I have done some coding related to getting the data, okay, but I have not done some conversion. So as you can see, I've been given some stuff as in days and converted, so it's required stuff will be a timestamp, but we won't understand the timestamp. We used to need to get in date time, so it's better you follow the video and code and try as the stuff. It will work flawless without any API key. Okay, so after this data frame you need to put this in MPL Finance. Okay, so all you have to do is import MPL Finance as MPF. Okay, so we are good to go, and to get this candlestick chart you need to say the index, whichever it is. So you need to set the index. Okay, so it's already in timestamp, so what we're gonna do, we convert the stuff. So the time will be in this. So first of all we have to say that the time which we got should be in a daytime, so we'll say to the PD, means pandas, and we'll say to date time, and in this we can say that the given time, and that should be converted into unit of string. Okay, so timestamp will be there, all of the stuff should be converted into required manner as in date time and should be in a string. Okay, and to convert in a local perfect timing, what you can do is you can call the df of time, and you have to say that time what we got should be first will be time zone of localize. So we'll say in UTC, okay, coordinated universal time. So we'll say UTC, and then we will try to convert this in Asia and Kolkata. Okay, so all we have to say convert, and in that we have to give as an Asia or Kolkata. Okay, so it will be as per the Indian timings. So we are done here, and then we will set the index. So all we have to say is set underscore index, and what we are calling here the time, and in place should be true. Okay, so we set the time, and we will give it this in our MPL Finance, but before we try to call the 15-minute data. Okay, so it should not overlap. All we have to say MPF dot plot, and first of all I will give the data frame, and second I will ask, like, what type of data. So I should say candle. Okay, and then I should go for volume I keep it false here. If I required I will say the true. Okay, and style, you can say Charles or Yahoo. So I will say the Charles, and I can give a title. So what I can say in title, I will say as a BTC USD, okay, 15-minute candlestick chart. Okay, so I think this will be enough to get what we are looking for. So let's get the output. So I believe we perfectly got the output, and this code input I'll get you the required stuff. Okay, and one more thing, so this is time is getting as like not in proper ascending order. Okay, so it's better I'll give it in a perfect way. Okay, so what we can say, we can sort the values. So here only we can sort, so all I have to say sort underscore values, and it will be in a perfect order. So you have to sorting by time, so you can say in this way. Okay, so we got our data and it's perfectly 15-minute data what we got. Okay, so just try this stuff, okay, and see what can be done. And in my next video I will show a more interaction. So this is just basic, this is important stuff, as in previous I have not converted into required timestamp, so this will be a beneficial video. So you can utilize this stuff, you can get this data as per the required timings, okay, can understand them and can plot them. Okay, so this is just a plot for interactions. For other stuff we'll see in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.